play game Circuit 3D Simulator. Is start game. It is the level game. It's the 3 level. If I click go back and back to Windows, start game. If I start in the back to level game, press level 1, coming start game. It's press W, then coin 100. Press S, turn back. It's press A, turn right. Press D, turn left. And hit jump. Spacebar to jump. This is lose game. Play, return to play level 1. And press W to get and hit. This is the green capsule. It heals. Let's jump. Keep guitar. It is end credit for great. Thanks for watching.